We've just acquired this Range Rover Evoque 2.2 diesel. Dynamic looks, is in absolutely superb condition, as you can see. Wheels are gloss black. It's just been serviced, just new brake discs. It's got the reverse parking sensors. It's got an electric tailgate. Full set of original Land Rover Evoque carpet mats. Still got how to care for the leather on there. It's full service history. It's full high spec with electric memory seats, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, electric seats, panoramic sunroof, the full leather wingback seats, which is a very rare option. Then come inside, start the car up. It's done 86,499 miles. So we've got cruise control, it's got Bluetooth, heating steering wheel, satellite navigation. We've got TV. Got dual screen, which is absolutely amazing. I love this. So someone coming, driver's watching the satellite navigation from this side, and the passenger can watch the TV from that side. It's like magic. There you go, sat nav, TV, heated seats, climate control, all-terrain system for the four-wheel drive, Meridian sound system. Really is top spec. Lovely car. 2 keys. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.